Hello, this is Teresa here. As you can see on my screen is a GoHighLevel landing page. And in this video, I just want to talk about this amazing platform. Disclaimer, I'm a big fan of this platform. If you don't know already, this is called GoHighLevel. So this is basically an all-in-one sales and marketing software, and they say here that HighLevel is the first ever all-in-one platform that will give you the tools, support, resources you need to succeed and crush your marketing goals. I'm going to walk you through the sub account, how it looks like when you use it as a business owner, as a small business owner, or as an agency, freelancer, web designer, coach, consultant. As long as you're getting leads online, you need this tool in your business. So as you can see here, these are all the platforms. They didn't even name them all, but these are some of the platforms that HighLevel replaces. So if you're using HubSpot, Active Campaign, I think this is an Active Campaign logo. So it is a CRM, it is a funnel builder, it is a website builder. So you can build websites inside this platform. You can even have WordPress connected to your HighLevel account. Not this two yet, but Wix, Squarespace, you can pretty much build the same, not the same, but like similar websites inside GoHighLevel if you're really good at building websites. I've seen ugly websites and I've seen beautiful websites built in GoHighLevel. There's surveys and form builders, so you can replace all these tools here. Typeform, I don't know what these other tools are, but if you need to build a survey or a form, HighLevel got you. Email marketing, this replaces Active Campaign, MailChimp. HubSpot, I don't know what this is. The best thing about this though is you can also white label this whole platform. Like I've seen people white label it as like a course creator platform. Like I know one creator who has white labeled the whole platform. If you know HighLevel, I'm sure everybody knows that is a white label platform. But yeah, they did a really good strategy. So basically they just started a whole new business model, and I guess their goal was to sell their white label version, which was GoHighLevel, and they just called it their own like AI platform where you can create and build online courses. And I've seen someone use it as like a funnel builder. So they position themselves as like they are a funnel builder, but then they were teaching other people how to build funnels, and they were recommending their white label version as a funnel builder that they can use. And in their sales pitch, they were like, hey, our funnel builder has this and this and this and this, which were all the HighLevel features that are included in that platform. So I've seen people do amazing things with the white label version. The best part about it, and one of the biggest reasons why people are moving to this platform, it's because you can white label it. If you're a social media manager, there's a tool inside here, and if you completely white label it, you can just tell your clients, instead of telling them to go sign up for like Sprout Social or I don't know what other tools they use, you can tell them, hey, I have my own software, and you can be honest about it and say it's built on GoHighLevel. Here's the link. It's $97 a month. You get unlimited whatever, because these other platforms, they are so expensive. Like go to Sprout Social right now, I think their lowest plan is like $200 a month, and you don't have unlimited, like you can't add unlimited users. So with HighLevel, you can add as many users as you can on one sub account. You also have an option to limit how many users you want your users to have. Okay, I'm so sorry for yapping. I don't know where I was going with my thoughts there, but let's jump into a sub account. So right now I'm inside a sub account. This is obviously a demo account, so there's nothing much in here, but I'm just gonna give you an overview so that you can see how it will look like when you log in. This is a sub account inside an agency account. So an agency account is like the main admin account. So that's mainly for if you're running an agency or if you're running a business with multiple locations. That's where you will be setting up your settings. That's where you'll be controlling all your sub accounts inside here. But otherwise, if an agency or a consultant give you access to an account, this is what you will be seeing. Like if I was hosting my clients on my own GoHighLevel, this is what my clients will see. So if you're an agency, like I said, this is what you'll see. Also, if you're a business owner or a small business using GHL, this is what you'll see. At the top here, we have a launch pad. I'm not gonna go through each and every single thing because the video is going to be long. At the top here, so this will be the name of your account, and then we have a search button. So this is when you want to search anything, because you can have a bunch of things on here, like custom links. You can have a bunch of them, so this makes it easy for you to find whatever that you're looking for if you're not sure where to get it. We have a launchpad, and I'm going to take you through everything here. So now we are on the launchpad tab. So use case scenario for this: whenever I onboard a client, this is the first place I tell them to go and connect all the necessary things. So the first thing, I'll let them know, hey, you need to download an app. So you get an SMS with a link to go download that. And the second thing is, I always encourage them. By the way, I work with small businesses, like local businesses, and then I always encourage them to go connect with the Google My Business, and I'll show you why. And then we have integrations with Facebook and Instagram. This will also automatically like connect to Instagram when you connect Facebook. And then we have a chat widget. Whenever someone texts you from there, all those leads will come inside the CRM, and I'll show you how cool this is. And then if you're collecting payments or you are selling product, you can also connect your Stripe account so that you can process your payments through GoHighLevel. And then this is where you add all your team members, unlimited team members, as I've said, which is pretty cool, and you can add them from here. And there's other sections as well where you can do this thing, but this is a place where I encourage clients to start at, because it makes things easy. So as soon as all this is connected, they have to go to settings, and I'll show you like other stuff inside. I don't think I'll get to settings because this video is going to be super long, but yeah, moving on, we have the dashboard. When I work with a client, I always tell them this is the most important part of their business. So this is where they see all their numbers, what's happening in their business. It's currently empty right now, but if you have some actions going on, you'll be seeing all the numbers in here. So you can also like customize this however you want it. Like if there's certain numbers that you want to see every day, you can rearrange all of this, and it will show you opportunity statuses, lost lead, how many leads are in the pipeline, opportunity value. You'll see all your numbers. Like if you have a product or a service that you charge 10K for and you have like 5 leads, it will just calculate that and give you the opportunity value in your pipeline and your conversion rate. Obviously, when people come in and you close them and you let the system know that that lead has been won, it will show your conversion rate here. And then we have other stats that will be appearing here. Like I said, this is empty, it doesn't look that interesting, but it's very helpful. So also as a business owner, you'll be seeing tasks that are made inside your account. Like you can even give some of your team members some tasks here. You can see manual actions. So manual actions is one of the features that GoHighLevel has, where you can call people, like you can power dial people. I don't know if you know what power dialing is, but I'll show you in future videos. And then we have lead source report. This is pretty cool because you can see where your leads are coming from. Like you will see here, it will tell you, okay, Facebook, SMS, billboard, email form, Facebook ads, all of that, and then it will give you the numbers and how much money you've made from those platforms. A lot of people don't know these numbers, and this will help you so much, because when you know where your leads are coming from, then you can make smart decisions on which platform to focus on. So if you are constantly posting on Facebook, but all your leads or 90% of your leads are coming from Instagram, you just need to, focus more on the platform that's bringing in more leads. Then there's a bunch of analytics going down. We have Google Analytics report. So if you have Google Analytics connected to your platform, this is where you can see all that. We have Google Business Profile. It will show you total views. It will show you all the crazy stats that you need to know. There are tools that can give you all these stats, but the fact that you can have all of them in one place, like you don't need to log into Google My Business to see how your profile is doing. You can just come in here and you will be shown everything here. And then we have Facebook ads report. Like if you're running ads, you can just come in here and you will see everything, all your numbers. And I'll show you where to see your numbers in details in the other sections, which is reporting. Then Google ads, same as Facebook ads, you connect all your ad accounts in here, and boom, you will see all the results. And then the conversation tab. A lot of people or a lot of business owner, they lose leads mainly because they don't follow up, they don't see DMs, they miss emails. Like there's a bunch of things that happen when you have clients messaging you from different platforms. So conversation, also called an inbox, this is where all your DMs, all your WhatsApp messages, live chat, Google My Business messages, which has been disabled right now, sadly. SMS, did I say SMS? Yep. Facebook DMs, people who are calling you, people who are leaving voicemails, Instagram, all those direct messages come in here. So goodbye to missing DMs or missing customers inside DMs. You can see them all in here. So when you have your Facebook, Instagram connected to Google My Business, when someone direct message you on those platforms, this is where they will populate. When there's data in here, it looks amazing. Like you will see everything a lead has been doing, like from the moment they got in contact with you, you'll just see all the activity. You'll see there, like if you they came to you with a form, you'll see all those details as additional information, all the amazing data that you have. So, and you can also like call them from here, which is pretty cool. And then right here we have manual actions. So if you are someone who's doing a lot of cold calling, or you're calling a bunch of leads back to back, you can have this manual action. So basically you can have all those contacts as a list in here, and all you need to do is click on let's start, and the system will start dialing each and every person without stopping. So if someone doesn't answer, you just click on no answer, and then it'll go to the next person, instead of you like pressing the numbers like 0, 7, blah blah blah, one by one. You just come in here, put them in this manual action, come in here, click on start, and it will start dialing. This is an amazing one, especially for people who are doing cold calling. I've seen people do amazing automations on this one, and I just built it for someone. I'll link their channel. I think they will be doing a YouTube video about that, so I'll link their channel below so that you can see how this works. Then we have template. If you have a template that you always send to your customers, maybe a review request template, or I don't know, a birthday template, any template that you need, you can come make those templates in here. They're also called snippets. And yeah, anytime you have a conversation with someone, there will be like a section at the bottom where you can just select it and send it to them. Maybe like frequently asked questions, you can have them ready as answers in a template form. Then you have trigger links. I love trigger links as well. So trigger links, when someone clicks on a link, you can trigger certain things to happen, like maybe you wanna follow up with them like as soon as they click a link, or like you can do automations where if they don't click that trigger link, you can check the system, hey, have they clicked this link? And then if they haven't, you can follow up with them. And that is the conversation tab. There's a bunch of things in here. And then moving on, we have calendars. So this replaces Calendly. So if you are someone who's taking like online appointments, and I think every service business does, this comes in handy. One of my favorite things about calendars is if you have multiple team members, they all can connect their calendars in here, and you will be, as a business owner, you'll be able to see, okay, who has appointments, who's busy, who's not busy. This is where you'll see your calendars. And then we have calendar settings where you can build up your calendar. So you can have as many calendars as you can, unlike Calendly where I think you can only have 2 or 1 at a time. So with this one, you can have unlimited calendars. You can have 1 hour calendar, 15 minutes calendar, 30 minutes, like different calendars without paying anything extra. Okay, now this is the contact section. So this is where you'll be seeing all your contacts, like every time a lead reach out to you, whether it's through a website, a form, call, WhatsApp, live chat, your ads, every single contact will just populate in here. And then if you want to add a list of contacts as well, you can just upload a file here. So you can do different things in here. So if maybe you have a list of contacts, you can select them, add them to a pipeline, which is where we're gonna go next. You can add them to an automation. You can send them an SMS, like you can send them an email. You can add a tag. You can remove a tag. You can delete those contacts. You can send a review request. There's a bunch of things. I'm not gonna go through each and every one of them. This is pretty cool because it allows you to organize your CRM. Like there's a bunch of things here. There's bulk actions. You can restore contacts if they're deleted. Tasks, companies, manage smart leads. There's a bunch of things in here. So this is pretty cool. You store all your leads. And then we have opportunities. This is also a place where my clients spend most of their time. All you need to do in here is add a pipeline. For example, let's say you want to do an onboarding pipeline. So maybe the first one is contract send. For example, here, tapping with one hand, contract send, and then let's say the next stage is signed, and then the next stage is invoice paid. Again, I'll go in details in future videos. I'm just creating this as an example. Then let's save this. Let's delete this first. Okay, and save. Okay, now you have a pipeline. If we go back to opportunities, you'll be able to see that pipeline here. You can use automations to move people around, or you can manually move people. Sorry if this is confusing. I'm just summarizing everything here. But yeah, that is your opportunities, and the pipeline is also linked to your dashboard. So everything that is in here will appear on the dashboard. So yeah, when you create a pipeline, just keep in mind that you can also see what's in your pipeline in a summary form kind of vibe. But yeah, and then we have payments here. So this is also another cool thing about GHL. I still don't understand how this platform can have all these products and features that people are charging thousands of dollars for. So in this section here, you can see invoices that you have created and manage all your invoices generated for your business. There's a documents and contracts. So if you have proposals that you need signed, so as I've shown you in the pipelines, you create your contracts in here, and then when they sign those contracts, you can have automations firing up based on that. So we have orders, we have subscriptions, payment links, there's tap to pay, there's a bunch of things in here, transactions, products. So if you have digital products, you have ebooks, courses, or whatever that you want to sell, you can create all those products in here. They are linked to your Stripe account, so when you get paid, it'll go to your Stripe. And yep, that's how easy it is. Coupons, if you have discount code, you can create them in here. You have settings, integrations, and many things. Let's move on to marketing. So this is your social media planner section. So you just come in here, connect all your social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, Pinterest, and guess what? You can schedule all your content in here without logging into other platforms. It's so cool. You can upload a bulk social media post with CSV, review and approve posts before they get posted, and a bunch of things. I don't post that often on social media, so I've never used this, but yeah, I have encouraged so many clients to use this section here because it saves them a lot of time. They don't have to hire a social media manager, they don't have to pay for Sprout Social, they have everything built in here. Then we have emails, so if you are building newsletters or SMS campaigns, we have trigger links. I spoke about trigger links. And then we have an affiliate manager section here. So if you have an affiliate program for your own business, this is not like the high-level affiliate program, this is yours. Like, you can create your affiliate program in here. You can even help your clients create their own affiliate programs and reward their customers who are giving them referrals and stuff like that. Moving on to automations, this is why people are literally moving to this platform. Like, this is where all the magic happens. It looks a bit weird right now. I'm gonna load the page. This is my only ick about GoHighLevel. Sometimes it is slow, but a refresh button always fixes things. So let's wait. Automations. I was speaking about automations. So this is where the automations happen. This is where you cook your automation. So basically, workflow. So you can select from a recipe. A recipe is a template, or you can create from scratch. I'm going to give you an example here of a template. So let's choose. Wait for it to load. Come on, don't disappoint me. Don't show people what you stress me about. Okay, let's go to, what's the famous automation in here? I think the DM automation. Yep, let's do the DM automation. So if you want to do the keyword automations, like comment this word and I'll send you blah 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 blah, this is where you set it up. So this is the behind the scene of having a DM automation or a comment automation. I don't know what you call it, a MiniChat automation. MiniChat made this famous, so I'm gonna call it a MiniChat automation. So yeah, it's as simple as having a trigger. So a trigger will be that keyword. So you have a keyword, like comment this keyword, and that keyword will trigger this whole automation. So maybe someone comments, my brain is blank. Someone comments GHL, like maybe you are talking about GoHighLevel on your Instagram, and then you can say comment GHL and I'll say comment GHL and I'll send you my template. Then someone comments GHL and automatically you respond to the comment with an automation, so you don't have to respond manually. So the comment automation will be like, hey, check your DM. You can add multiple responses so that Facebook or Instagram doesn't, flag you for being spammy and using automations. So you can add multiple responses, and then the next thing is like you'll send that person a DM and you can send them multiple links in the DMs, or you can chat to them depending on how you want to continue this. This workflow can go on and on and on depending on what you want to automate. It's pretty cool. This is where you build everything, so there's different ways that your automations can trigger. I'll go through this in depth in the next videos, but yeah, I just wanted to show you how automations work. Then we have content AI here. There's a bunch of AI tools inside this platform. I haven't used most of them. With GHL, I only use what I need, to be honest. I try my best not to get overwhelmed by this platform. We are under sites. This is also where I spend most of my time. This is where I build funnels. You can come in here, build your funnels. You can build funnels from templates. But yeah, there's a bunch of templates in here that you can just come and create your website from. It's really not that complicated. You just need to find the best ones. As you can see here, there's like a agency template that you can just grab and edit, put in your logos, put in your colors, your copy. You don't have to stress about hiring a web designer or anything like that. And then we have analytics, so you can see all your numbers. page visits, all of those good things. Blogs, WordPress, you can have WordPress connected with GHL. If you already have WordPress, you have a client portal which is linked to your membership area. I'm going to go through here forms. So if you're building forms for your website, this is where you build them. Same with surveys, they work the same. So you just build in a form, and then while you're building your website, you get to a section where you want to add a form. You just select like an element, and then you add your form or your survey. Chat widget, we spoke about it. It's that little bubble that will be at the bottom of your website. And then we have URL directs. If you have like long links, if you have long links and you want to shorten them with like maybe your custom domain, like your main domain, you can do that all in here. And then we have settings. So if you're a course creator, this is where you will come and upload your content. So we have product section, so you can come in here, upload all your products. So yeah, this is where you'll be seeing all the stats, the numbers, checkouts, members, opt-ins. It's pretty cool when there's people going in, so you'll be able to see all those cool numbers in here. And then we have media storage. So this is where you upload all your media for your funnels. And when it comes to storage, I'm not sure how much GoHighLevel gives you, but I haven't had any issues. Also, I haven't uploaded a lot of content on my GoHighLevel account. And then moving on to reputation management. So this is for people who have a Google business profile or Google My Business profile. So this is where you'll be seeing all the numbers based on the review requests that you have sent. So you will be seeing how many good reviews you have, how many bad reviews you have, how many reviews you have received, how many reviews invites you have sent. So sending a review request is as easy as clicking this button, selecting a contact, selecting if you want to send them an email or an SMS, and then your contact or your client will get a link thanking them, asking them to leave a review, and they can just easily do that. You can also automate this process by building an automation that you just saw in the automation section, which sends review requests and also follow up with those people. So I know like sometimes when I get like leave us a review request, I'm always busy and I always click on not now. With GoHighLevel, you can automate that process and people can leave you a review. You can edit your widgets, listings. So this is for your local SEO. Now let's go to reporting. So reporting, this is where you'll be seeing all the report from your Google ads, Facebook ads, call report, appointment report. You will see all those numbers in here. As you can see, obviously you need to link GoHighLevel to those accounts, like your Facebook ad account and your Google ads account. And this is where you will be seeing all your numbers. So you don't need to log in into those platforms. You can just log in into this one platform and you'll see all your numbers in here. This is what's crazy about GoHighLevel. Like it saves you so much time as well. Like imagine having all these login details to go and check your stats or check what's working or check what's broken in all of this tools. Like you go to the Sprout Social, you go to your, I don't know, what do people use for automations? Active Campaign. You go inside your WordPress to get your numbers. You go inside your Google My Business. Like there's a bunch of things that as a business owner are going on. So the fact that you still have to go inside all of these accounts to check what's working is insane. So what I love about GoHighLevel is that everything is in one place and they summarize everything for you in a dashboard. And if you want to see things in detail, you can go into those tabs and see the numbers and details, but still it's one login that you don't have to stress about, and boom, you have everything. And then lastly, we have a marketplace. So this is kind of like an example is if you have used WordPress before, the plugins on WordPress, like these are people selling their apps on GoHighLevel, and some of those apps are really cool. And I really think this is just the beginning when it comes to marketplace. I can already see some of these apps like hitting millions and millions of users because GoHighLevel is growing every single day. So if you're a web developer and you're looking into building an app, maybe build an app that will go well with GoHighLevel. There's a bunch of AI tools that I've seen. So I guarantee you in the next 2 years, there will be a bunch of apps in here that are making millions because we are going there with GoHighLevel. And then we have settings here. So in settings, this is where you do settings. You know what settings are for. I'm not gonna go into that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you why people are moving to this platform. I know it looks empty, but when you start building inside this platform, I promise you it gets so sticky. It saves businesses so much time, so much money. They have everything in one place. Like there's literally no need to stress about anything else when you use GoHighLevel. And as you can tell, this is a platform that I love and use. Most of my time I actually spend in other people's GoHighLevel account because I'm a GoHighLevel consultant and I help help them set up their accounts and stuff like that. So I love GoHighLevel. I've been using it for my clients. I've been encouraging clients to go use this platform. And if you're a business owner and you want to go ahead and try it, I'm going to be making more videos about this platform, how I'm using it for small businesses. And yeah, you can come along this journey with me. I'm also part of the affiliate program. So if you're using the link in my description, I'll be getting a commission on that. No extra cost to you. This is from GoHighLevel. I'm just saying thank you to me, and it's an honor to work with GoHighLevel, and I'm really enjoying this platform. There's so many things that you can do with it. I haven't even scratched a fraction of what's possible inside here. But yeah, that's why so many creators are recommending this tool to their audience, and I'm gonna be talking about it a lot more in my future videos, because that's the engine of my business or my freelance journey. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting more videos about this platform. I've been talking about it, but I don't think I've made a series out of it or anything that is really valuable. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how I'm using it, how I'm building websites for small businesses. I'm gonna teach a lot about what's possible in the platform. So please stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.